Fire alarm. Fire alarm systems are designed to alert us to an emergency, so that we can take action to protect ourselves, staff, and the general public. Fire alarms are found in offices, factories, and public buildings. They are a part of our everyday routine, but are often overlooked until there is an emergency. Whatever the method of detection is, if the alarm is triggered, then sounders can warn the peoples in the building that there may be a fire, and we should evacuate. In this video, we will learn how to detect the fire and display the warning message using Arduino Uno and LCD display. Here is the connection diagram of this project. 16x2 LCD display has 2 lines. Each line can display 16 characters. This display has 16 pins. First pin is ground, second is VCC, then contrast, RS, RW, enable, D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, VCC, and ground. Pin 1 and 2 provide the supply for its internal circuitry, and pin 15 and 16 provides the supply for its backlight. We have connected pin number 1, 5, and 16 with the ground pin of Arduino, and pin number 2 and 15 with the 5V. Pin number 4 of LCD is connected to the pin number 12, and pin number 6 of LCD is connected to the pin number 11 of Arduino. Pin 7, 8, 9, and 10 are not used. Pin 11, 12, 13, and 14 of LCD display are connected to the pin 5, 4, 3 and 2 of Arduino respectively. We have connected the positive terminal of buzzer with Arduino's pin number 6. Negative terminal of the buzzer is connected to the ground pin of Arduino. Fire sensor module has 3 pins: VCC, ground, and output. VCC pin is connected with the 5V pin of Arduino, and ground pin is connected with the ground pin of Arduino. Connect the output pin of the fire sensor with pin number 7 of Arduino. This is the code of our project. To control the LCD display, we will first include its library in the program. To include the library, we will write in the first line, #include liquid crystal.h. Then we will declare the name of the used pins, in the sequence of RS, enable, D4, D5, D6, and D7. Sensor state is an integer type variable. It will store the status of the input pin. Initially we have set its value to 0. Void setup is a function in which we have initialized the LCD. By using this function, lcd.begin 16,2, it means we are using 16 characters and 2 lines of the LCD display. In this project, we will give high or low signals to the buzzer connected at pin number 6. So we will make pin number 6 an output pin. We will read the status of the sensor connected at pin number 7. So we will make pin number 7 an input pin. Now void loop. This function will run over and over again forever, so whatever we have written inside it will repeat forever. Sensor state equals digital read 7. Digital read is a function which will read the status of pin number 7 and store its value in a variable sensor state. If sensor state value is low, then Arduino will give a high signal at its pin number 6, and buzzer will turn on. It shows that there is a fire in front of the sensor. lcd.clear. This function is used to clear the LCD screen. lcd.print. This function will print a message, fire detected, on the LCD screen. Delay 2000. This function will generate 2 seconds of delay. If sensor state value is high, then Arduino will give a low signal at its pin number 6, and buzzer will turn off. It shows that there is no fire in front of the sensor. No fire detected message will appear on the LCD screen. Now, we will write a code on this software. After writing the code, we will save our project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, or the code is incorrect, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu, and select Arduino Uno. Then, we will go to the port option, and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now, to transfer this code to our hardware, we will press this arrow button. Now we will assemble our hardware. We will take 3 wires, 1 red, and 2 black. We will use these wires later. Now we will solder a black wire at hole number 1, and red wire at hole number 2 of LCD display. Now we will solder a white wire at hole number 4, and brown wire at hole number 6 of LCD display. Now we will solder orange, yellow, green, and blue wires at pin number 11, 12, 13, and 14 of LCD display. Now connect hole number 16 with hole number 1 using a black wire, and hole number 15 with hole number 2 of LCD display using a red wire. Now connect hole number 5 with hole number 1 of LCD display using a black wire. Now connect hole number 3 with hole number 1 of LCD display through a 1 kilo ohm resistor. Connect red, black, and yellow wires at VCC, ground, and signal pins of fire sensor respectively. Now we will take a 5-volt buzzer. We will connect a red wire with its positive terminal, and black wire with its ground terminal. Cover the joints with insulation tape to avoid any shorting between its 2 terminals. Connect the red wire with 5-volt pin, and black wire with the ground pin. Now connect white, brown, orange, yellow, green, and blue wires with pin number 12, 11, 5, 4, 3, and 2 of Arduino respectively. Now connect the red wire of sensor with the 5-volt pin, black wire with the ground pin, and yellow wire with pin number 7 of Arduino. Now connect the red wire of the buzzer with pin number 6, and black wire with the ground pin of Arduino. Now we will power up our circuit and test its functionality. We will use a matchstick to generate the fire. When there is a fire in front of the sensor, then buzzer starts beeping, and a fire warning message appears on the LCD display screen. When there is no fire in front of the sensor, then buzzer kept silent, and the warning message is replaced by another message. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help in your project, or to clear your doubts, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To purchase the items used in the video, you can visit our website www.erolltech.com. You can order us on our WhatsApp number also. Thank you so much.